Hey guys, welcome to my 5th video. I'm sorry about the mixed up from the last two because both of them said part 3. My Skyblock World was supposed to be part 4, but it said part 3 in it, so sorry about that. But today is like a my life video, and I'm going to show you my kitten. Minu, come on, come on, come on, come on, look. Look at her. Look at that. That's so. Oh, she's licking me. Oh. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. Whoa! Look, it's so cute. Okay, cameraman, what you do in order of seeing how she reacts when you pet her? Or not? But let's just sit her down on. Yeah, she has like rabbit feet. So let's take a look at my next cat. Sorry about that, I can't seem to find my next cat, but let's take a more look at my cat, Minu. So I convinced him to hold it. I guess he doesn't want to be in the camera. Minu, look at the camera. Look at the, yeah, post in the comments if you think she is cute. She's licking your foot. You have no idea how close I was to calling this the Minu show instead of Coolmaster 010. You have like no idea how close. So I guess that's the end of my 5th.
Did you even bother going in the bathroom?
Oh wait, there's my second cat.
Did you even bother?
This cat's name is Abby. she likes it. She likes it. She likes being on camera. Don't you like being on camera? Don't you like being on camera? Don't you? Yes, you do like being on camera. Yes, you do like being on camera. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. She hides.